Hi, I'm Colette Norton with Optimum Community Centers. We have Yvonne back with us today to create another healthy snack. Yvonne, what are you going to be making for us?
Thanks, Colette. So today I will be making a nutritious, no-bake trail mix granola bar.
Wow, that sounds really good. I can't wait to try them.
Yeah, let's go ahead and get started. We will need 3/4 cup of almond butter. Next, we will need 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. And then 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then 1/3 cup, and then 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. In the larger bowl, we will mix the dry ingredients. So we have 1.5 cups of rolled oats. This is an excellent source of magnesium, zinc, folate, and many others. Then we have 1/2 cup of raw almonds, 1/2 cup of raw pecans. In this, we have pumpkin seed, 1/4 cup, 1/4 cup of sunflower seed, and 1/4 cup of hemp seed. We'll do 1/4 cup of dark chocolate chips, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and then we'll do 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then we will mix the wet and the dry ingredients. The nuts and the seeds provide a good source of heart-healthy protein and fiber. This will keep you full, and it will also lessen the spikes in your blood sugar. This does take a little bit of mixing in to get it good and mixed in there. This will also be your arm workout for the day. And the last ingredient, don't forget to add the cranberries. In an 8x8 pan, you'll want to put parchment paper down. We'll transfer over this into that once we get it nice and mixed in. Now this is an important part that you don't want to miss. Once you get it in there, you're going to use another pan with parchment paper to the bottom, and you're going to want to squeeze this down so that way it can be nice and even. Give it a nice squeeze. Once this part is done, you will want to refrigerate this for 2 hours. Put that just like that in the refrigerator, and then after the 2 hours, you will have your trail mix squares here. Thanks for tuning in. Come back again to see another nutritious video for a more healthier you.